This is the elevator at the A deck, Bay Street parking in Tampa, Florida, at International Plaza and Bay Street. Let's go up to terrace level, which is unlocked. Indicators burned out. Terrace level, which, as you'd expect, is basically a terrace above the upper level, which is kind of more like the ground floor. Actually, LL is underground. At least it feels that way. I know technically LL is the ground floor, but I believe UL goes into the mall. Inspection certificate, innovation universal fixtures, and a 3,500-pound capacity. We're just going to take the one ride. Again, it's an underground parking, and the shopping, the restaurants is in that direction. There it goes, and that will be it.